Alright, here's acid bath part 2. Let's take these rocks out of the acid. Oh, no, this is not the acid. This is the baking soda. This is after cleaning them up. So we're going to take these out. I think they've done. They've been over there sitting in there soaking overnight. I don't even know how to tell when they're done, to be honest with you. This is my first time doing it, so we're going to hope for the best. And it just went right down my sleeve. Still got baking soda in there in the bottom. Alright. Now, here's these big mama jamas in here that I gotta move over to the other bucket. Let's see how they look after they sit in here all night. Oh, they looking good. They looking real good. Let's get that in the baking soda. Let it start neutralizing. Look at that. That looks good. Yep, I think that looks really good. That looks so good. Alright, let's get that in there and get it to neutralizing. Alright. That looks good. Alright. One more piece in there, I can't really tell. Oh wow, this is a piece of the chalcedony plate that just come off. Alright. Alright, we got those 3 big ones soaking now. Let's get these. Let's put this one in there. That's a big mama jama right there. That's the main one. We'll put little pieces around it. We got a really good rain last night and this morning. Alright, that's probably enough. I still got all this bucket full. It was full of water when I come out here earlier. I poured about half of it out. But I think that's good for now. We'll get this to soaking. Put the lid back on there. And then we got these neutralizing. I think that's going to be good. And then these I just need to go in and wash off. I got to grab another bucket for those. And then I'll leave this poor little blue jay alone that's trying to eat his lunch up here above me. I got a, what do you call this thing? Oh, I'm gonna have to get out in the wet grass. Hold on. A bird feeder up there above me. Yeah, there was an unhappy blue jay when I come out here that had to fly away. Alright, let me get this glove off and get inside and go make sure the chicken ain't burnt. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good day.